remember, people have been, in some cases, they've been waiting a year to get into the court. Now, I make it a point that when someone files a suit in my court and they serve the other party, my goal is within 90 days to hear that case or to get them to mediation. And the very first thing is we schedule them to go to mediation. If they're not able to resolve that at mediation within 90 days, it's before me. I mean, unless they ask for a jury trial, and then that takes a little bit longer. But even if they ask for a jury trial, any of the cases filed in my court, and with the jury trial, I want it heard within 12 months. But my goal is within 90 days to resolve it. Because if you have got a business owner, or say you have a dispute, one neighbor's disputing where this other neighbor put their fence up, you can't wait years to get a decision from the court. You want to know. And I bring in, they bring in all the information. Your Honor, make a decision on this because we can't resolve it.
That makes that's such a way of putting a fine point on it. Yeah, this is something that this person's living with every single day.
Yeah.
It's right there. It's in there. It affects.
Yeah.
And I have been in scenarios where I have had an unhappy, kind of a legal thing around a home. And I remember pulling into my home every night and just being like, I just didn't even want to go in. I felt that, right? So what you're saying is you have empathy for and think about these scenarios under which, this is something that can't drag out for years. Yeah. And that speaks to the efficiency of a court. And one of the reasons why I really care about supporting judge candidates is because an efficient court is important. And that means a lot to you. Do you want to talk about that a little bit?
Oh, it means everything to me. And like I said, the scenario with neighbors suing each other, but some of these small business owners that are waiting for a payment, they provided a service and then they didn't get payment on it. Their profit margin is so thin. And so they need to get this resolved. They can't wait years to get these situations resolved. And so, I have a lot of empathy for them. And like I said, and you said it, it's just, they're living with it every day.
Yeah. So for some people, getting some of these things settled could be the difference between them staying in business or not, or, defaulting on, if maybe in the instance of people who have rental properties, defaulting or not if they can't get their income or different things. So,
and there's some guidelines, that's laid out in statute, but a lot of it has to do with, you said the word, the efficiency of the court. Like I said, this was my goal that I established, that I came in within 90 days. Let's see if we can resolve this dispute. And the majority of them can resolve in mediation. Sometimes